Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm probably getting as Halloween-ish as I am going to get this season, and I am showing you a really simple and easy manicure you can do that's also kind of bright and not as haunting as traditional Halloween nails, I guess you could say. So I'm starting off, of course, with the base coat and then the base color, which I'm going to use a kind of light creamy orange shade. I am using the Eternal Cosmetics nail polish in the shade Flamingo, which I've really been enjoying this brand. They're sold on Amazon and they're really affordable, which is also really nice. So that's what I'm using today. It's about 2 to 3 coats, just depending on how full you want your coverage. In this case, for some reason, I just felt like I needed 3, but every other time I've worn it, I've only needed 2. So it kind of just varies, I think, depending on how thick or how thin or how warm your room is, because sometimes the temperature can play into those things. So I've done about 3 coats here of that polish, and then I'm going to do the art on top with acrylic paint, and I'm going to use my What's Up Nails Dance brush in the number 24. That is like my favorite and go-to detailing brush. So we're zooming in, we're checking out one nail here. I'm going to go to the center-ish because I'm terrible at centering things, and I'm just going to put a line about halfway down from the cuticle, as you guys can see, and then we're going to create 2 more lines going the opposite directions from that point. I don't know if that was explained properly at all, but when you see it, you'll know what I mean. And this is going to be kind of the basis or the start of a spider web. No, I absolutely do not like spiders, so doing a spider web manicure is weird to me. But I kind of enjoy it for the Halloween vibe. I feel like it's fun and easy to do. And this sort of manicure, weirdly enough, is kind of cute. So after I've got that base part done, I'm going to go in and connect the webs. I'm going to kind of create a U shape with the U top part kind of going towards the tip of my nail, which you guys can see here. I am using the exact same brush that I use for the lines. This is the What's Up Nails Dance brush in a number 24, and it's all done freehand, and it doesn't have to be perfect because, I mean, have you ever seen a real spider web? Even though they are kind of perfect, they're not always consistent, if that makes sense. So kind of just have fun with it. I only did about 2 connections on each. If you did a bigger web or longer lines to start out with, then you might need about 3, but it's kind of just going to vary and depend on the size of the canvas you're working on, and then in this case we're talking nails, which is pretty small. Then after that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and put on a shiny top coat. This would also look good in matte. Definitely if you did like a black background and white webs and then a matte top coat, that would look very Halloween. But I was going for more of the cute approach because I'm not into the spooky thing. And the other day on polls on Instagram, you guys were in agreement that cute Halloween is kind of more fun than spooky Halloween. But that's different for everybody. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this manicure. Like I said earlier, it's super easy, fun, and cute, and hopefully it's festive enough for you for this Halloween season. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!